Hey Google, call Mike. See you soon.
Okay, great. Don't be late. Hey Google, where's the nearest flower shop?
Book an Uber to the Orchid. I'm so sorry I'm late. Happy anniversary.
Make sure we're good on that meeting today.
I'll be there.
Remember guys, I'm gonna be out tomorrow for the weekend. Oh yeah, have a great trip.
Hey, guys.
Dude, put your phone down.
I'm here. What's going on? Where'd it go? Alright, let's go. We're going.
Okay, so my dad is tweeted my friends. Wait, you guys.
Guys.
This is amazing.
Today is a busy day. But it can still get a boost. It can be convenient.
Hey Google, when's my next meeting?
Next up, you have meeting at the office today at 10 a.m.
And it can be flexible. Today can give you exactly what you need, no matter how much you are juggling. You can always use some extra fun.
Hey Google, lights on.
Because when the work is done, you want to enjoy every minute. For when you want to give every day a boost, there's the Mobvoi TicWatch Pro 4G LTE. Simply boost it.